Not sure how to use your Fujitsu AC Remote? Model number AR-REM5E. In this video, we'll explain what each button does. Welcome to Flicky Facts. The on-off button powers your Fujitsu AC. Press it once to turn on the AC using the last saved mode and temperature. Press it again to turn it off, stopping all functions immediately. Pressing the powerful button activates a high-power mode that quickly boosts cooling or heating to reach the set temperature faster, then automatically returns to normal operation to conserve energy. Econo Cool is an energy-saving mode that adjusts the airflow direction and temperature automatically to maintain comfort with minimal power consumption. The up and down buttons let you control how cool or warm your room feels. Press up arrow to raise the temperature, or down arrow to lower it, 1 degree at a time. Press the mode button to cycle through different modes depending on your need. Cool mode, dry mode, fan mode, heat mode, auto mode. Cool mode cools the room to your desired temperature. Perfect for hot days when you need quick relief. Dry mode reduces humidity without overcooling. Great during monsoon or sticky weather. Fan mode blows air without cooling. Ideal for ventilation or mild days. Heat mode. It warms up the room by blowing hot air, perfect for chilly winter days. Auto mode. The AC automatically selects the best mode, cooling, fan, or heating, based on room temperature. Activates the intelligent eye sensor, which detects human movement in the room. If no movement is detected, the AC automatically adjusts or reduces power to save energy. Fan speed lets you control how strong the air blows. Press it to cycle through low, medium, high, or auto fan levels. Whether you want a soft breeze or powerful cooling, it's just one click away. Want cool air in every corner? Hit the swing button. It moves the air vents up and down, spreading airflow evenly across the room for all-around comfort. Press the upper set button to confirm and save the timer settings after selecting the on-off timer. Press the lower set button to confirm the clock adjustment or to finalize any other function settings. Press this button to activate the low-noise mode of the outdoor unit. It reduces compressor and fan speed to minimize operation sound, ideal for nighttime or quiet environments. This button lets you set up a weekly timer schedule for automatic on-off operation. You can program different times and temperatures for each day, making the AC run according to your routine without manual control. To set the timer for the unit, press the timer on button to start the on-time sequence. Use the arrow up or down buttons to adjust the desired time for the unit to turn on. Point the remote at the unit and wait 1 second for the timer on function to activate. For example, if it is currently 3 p.m. and you want the air conditioner to turn on at 5 p.m., set the timer for 2 hours. To set the timer for the unit, press the timer off button to start the off time sequence. Use the arrow up or down buttons to adjust the desired time for the unit to turn off. Point the remote at the unit and wait 1 second for the timer off function to activate. For example, if it's 10 p.m. and you want the AC to turn off at 12 a.m., you can simply set the timer for 2 hours, and it will automatically stop at midnight. Sleep mode is designed for a restful night. When activated, it slowly adjusts the temperature to keep you comfortable while saving energy. No chills, no wake-ups, just smarter cooling while you sleep. This button allows you to program automatic on and off times for the air conditioner. It helps you schedule operations according to your routine, improving convenience and energy efficiency. Pressing the back button takes you to the previous step or previous day in the weekly timer settings. It allows you to review or adjust earlier entries without restarting the setup. Pressing the next button moves you forward through the weekly timer settings or menu options. It helps navigate to the next day or next step while programming the schedule. Press this button to transmit the selected settings from the remote control to the indoor unit. It ensures that all adjustments like mode, temperature, and timer are applied to the air conditioner. Press the clock button to set the current time on your Daikin AC remote. Setting the correct time ensures your scheduled operations run precisely when needed. The test run button is for maintenance checks, running a short cycle to confirm the AC's cooling, heating, and airflow functions. It is not intended for regular daily use. If your LG AC remote isn't working properly, the reset button can restore it to factory settings. Just press the reset pinhole, usually with a pin or paperclip, and the remote will reboot, clearing any errors or glitches. Press and hold the temperature down arrow button and the Mode button together for about 3 to 5 seconds. The temperature display will switch between degrees Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit. Now you know what every button on your Fujitsu AC remote does. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.